If you have a sweet tooth like me, you're gonna love this recipe. Today, I'm making almond butter cookies with chocolate chips. Most cookies have flour, but not these. For these cookies, you need baking soda, 1 egg, almond butter, brown sugar, chocolate chips, and vanilla. This will be easy. Let's mix all of the ingredients. Let's start with the almond butter. Almond butter is the butter and flour for our cookies. The egg will keep everything stuck together. Brown sugar for sweetness. Can't forget about the chocolate chips. Baking soda will make the cookies rise. And what's a cookie without vanilla? Mix everything up really good. Work those muscles. All done. Let's scoop out the cookie dough. Pop them in the oven for 10 minutes. Yummy. Time for the best part. They're delicious. Thank you for joining Lailah's Wine Corner.